Hi and welcome to DataCoder. In this video, I am going to discuss about subject level population flags in ADSL. ADSL is the subject level data set and the structure is one record per subject. We create these population flags in ADSL in order to subset data to include intended population. For example, if we are creating table listing or graph and we need to filter data for a particular population, then we can use these flags according to our requirement and we can create the desired output in terms of table listing or graph. So let's get started. So there are 7 population flags we create in ADSL and we are going to discuss each of them with the coding. So the first flag is enrolled population flag, and this definition says all the subjects who have signed informed consent form comes under enrolled population flag. So all the subjects who are enrolled to the study, we can call them enrolled population, and the code for this is we can derive this by using either DS dataset or DM dataset. So if we are using the disposition dataset, then the code will be if DS decode equal to informed consent signed and DS start date is not missing, then this flag equal to Y and the numeric value equal to 1. And if we are using the demographic data set, then we can say if RFIC DTC is not missing, then this enrolled population flag equal to Y. So the subjects which are not coming under this condition, we can say that ENRLFL equal to N for the rest of the subjects, and the respective numeric value we can derive. So the next flag is randomized population flag, and randomized population flag are something if all the subjects all the subjects who are randomized, we can say them randomized population flag. And here the code is if DS decode equal to randomization and DS start date is not missing, then we can say RANDFL equal to Y and the numeric value for that flag equal to 1. And the subjects who are not satisfying this condition, we can say RANDFL equal to N and the respective numeric value we can create. The third flag is ITTFL or intent to treat population flag. So all the subjects who are randomized and are eligible or ready to take treatment comes under intent to treat population. In some of the cases we can say if it's randomized then ITTFL equal to Y, or in the some of the cases we can say if it's randomized and taken at least one dose of study drug, then ITTFL equal to Y. So it's all depends on the study SAFFL. So we need to check the SAFFL, what should be the definition of ITTFL. So the code for that is for here, for this scenario, if RANDFL equal to Y, then we can say ITTFL equal to Y, else ITTFL equal to N. The next flag is safety population flag, and the definition says subjects who have taken at least one dose of drug, we can say those are safety population. And the code is if EX dose is not missing or EX dose dot is not missing, then safety population flag equal to Y, else safety population flag equal to N, and we can create the respective numeric values for the flag. The next flag is completers population, and this says all the subjects who completed the study comes under completers population. So here the code is if DS decode equal to completed and epoch equal to follow up, then this flag equal to Y, else this completer population flag equal to N. The next flag is full analysis set population flag, and the definition says subjects who have taken at least one study drug dose and who have met analysis criteria will be considered as full analysis set population. The analysis criteria will depend on the study and vary study to study, which will be mentioned in the SAFFL. So, if the subject has taken at least one dose of study drug and it's meet the analysis criteria, we can say it's the full analysis set population. The code is, for example, here, if analysis criteria for the study is EX dose total greater than 200 mg, then we can say if not missing EX dose and EX dose total greater than 200, then full analysis sets population flag equal to Y, else N. So the next and the last subject level population flag in ADSL is per protocol population flag, and the definition says if the subject who do not have any protocol deviation, then we can say it's a per protocol population. So all the subjects who are present in HTTM-DM and are not present in HTTM.dv, so dv is the protocol deviation dataset, then we can say them as a per protocol population. So here we are just merging DM and DV by use subject ID, and if the subject is present in DM and not present in DV, we can say per protocol population flag equal to Y, else equal to N. So these are the 7 subject level population flag what we create in ADSL, and those flag will be used later while creating DLF outputs to filter particular population as per our mockup or as per our mock cell. Thanks for watching the video. If this is your first time to the channel, then subscribe for more upcoming videos on base, advanced and clinical SAS programming. Thank you and happy learning.